Hey, it's Darren and George here from Hollywood Classic Cars, and we're with the 1957 Porsche Speedster replica, and it's got a good little top here, so we're going to show you how to put it on and take it off. So the top's underneath of this cover here, and there's a series of snaps and fasteners that you'll want to take off all the way around. We typically leave it connected here because this fastens to the back, but you can just put that aside. And the top folds out and there's a bar which matches the windshield curve. And so that you'll pull up, and the key is to get this middle part lined up with that bar for the rear view mirror. And then it'll push on over the windshield. Sometimes the little snaps get in the way, and so you'll have to kind of fiddle with them a bit, but. So this latch has to be opened up to extend, and then it hooks around the windshield, pushes to secure it. In the back, the buttons match the previous top we took off. It's best to start from the ends, so you line up the buttons, and then go one by one around fastening the buttons. And it is fairly tight, so you do have to pull it with some strength in order to catch the snaps. Around the windows, you've got 2 additional snaps on each side. One goes there and one up there. There are no windows, so we don't usually like to let it out if there's rain in the forecast, but light rain or cold weather, this will do the trick. It'll help. So you undo the back all the way around and let the fabric hang behind it. Undo the snaps, undo the clips on the windshield, and carefully pull this back, letting it drop down, and then roll the bar here and let it hang. Kind of tuck the corners, and if this was still snapped here on these buttons on the back, then this should just pull it back up and cover everything neatly. There you go.